Hello, this is Basics of Geometry, Angle Pair Relationships, Example 3. Here we have this diagram, and we have to solve for x and y. So it's a very interesting problem. We can either use the fact that we have vertical angles, or we can use the fact that we have linear pairs. If we use vertical angles, we'd have y plus 20 equals x plus 15. That'd be an xy equation. We couldn't solve it. We would use the second equation, 4y minus 15 equals 3x plus 5. That'd be a second equation in x and y, and we could solve it. If we add this one plus this one, we'd have 3x plus 5 plus x plus 15 equals 180. See, because those two angles add up to 180, and we could do a similar thing here and have those add up to 180. We could make these two add up to 180, and that'd be an equation in x and y. And these two add up to 180, so that'd be another equation in x and y, and we could solve those two equations simultaneously. So there's three different choices that I see here, and the book uses this choice, that this one plus this one is 180. I'll do that too, but I'll also do the vertical ones. See, x plus 15, this angle here, is equal to this angle. So I did a little manipulation, and I got x is equal to y plus 5 out of that. Then 3x plus 5 equals 4y minus 15. I did a little manipulation, just subtract 5 to both sides, and I got 3x equals 4y minus 20. Now, since x equals y plus 5, I'm going to substitute that into here. So I've rewritten this equation with empty parentheses for the x, a big pair of empty parentheses, because I have to put y plus 5 in there, and copied everything else just as it is. So here, using the distributive property, 3y plus 15 equals 4y minus 20. Now subtracting 4y to both sides, I get minus y plus 15 equals minus 20. So now subtracting 15 to both sides, I get minus y equals minus 35, and that means y equals 35. And putting y equals 35 into here, 35 plus 5 is 40, so x equals 40. That's how to solve it using two equations and two unknowns. Here I've taken the y's, y plus 20 plus 4y minus 15, and that equals 180. I just worked on this, combining like terms and doing algebra to get y equals 35. Here I've put 3x plus 5 plus x plus 15 equals 180, and then just using algebra to get x equals 40. So if y equals 35 and x equals 40, the last part of this problem is to figure out the measures of these angles. So angle AEC is y plus 20. So y plus 20, that's 20 plus 35, which is 55. Angle BED is vertical with angle AEC, so it's also equal to 55. Now, if AEC is 55, then this one plus this one is 180, so that makes this one 125. And then this one is vertical with CEB. So AED is vertical with CEB, so it's also 125 degrees.